guest of honor and speaker, whom I will introduce shortly, to CAAP General Santos City Airport Manager, Mr. Joel J. Gabina, our very supportive Advisory Council Chairman, Engineer Edgardo C. Cueto, sir, officers and members of the AVSEGROUP 12 Advisory Council, officers and members of Triskelion Law Enforcement Group, led by Mr. John Paul T. Joring, Mr. Roy T. Rico, and of course our own personnel, Police Chief Master Sergeant Jojit T. Peñaflor, my fellow workers in the government, men and women in uniform, guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. As I welcome you to this significant occasion, I am filled with gratitude and admiration. This is a revelation that there are still people out there who believe in the PNP and want to help us to improve our capabilities to serve better in the community, not just for themselves. Let us bear testimony and witness their good deeds today. Today, he is a proud Bulaqueño who dedicated his life to be a public servant. He is known for being dynamic, compassionate, and innovative leader. He entered in the service at the age of 19 and graduated as proud member of the Philippine Military Academy, Bikis Lahi, class of 1990. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the most dedicated police officers of the country, our guest of honor and speaker for today, the 36th Director of the Philippine National Police Aviation Security Group, no other than Police Brigadier General Florencio Teodoso Ortilla.
First of all, I would like to acknowledge Mr. Edgardo Cueto, the Chairman of the Advisory Council for AVSEGROUP 12. Alapan natin. Also to Pastor Fable Obilio, also one of the members of the Advisory Council on Religious Sector. We will also have here Maria Sharina Garcia, also a member of the Advisory Council. Thank you. Miss Ana May Serrano, isa ring member ng Advisory Council and airline representative. Miss Girly Calanza, also the airline representative. And the Trileg Jensen chapter, si Police Chief Master Sergeant Jojel Peñaflor, ikabang head, required as our mandate to the aviation na to secure the entire airports, outside, within, barangay area, and especially inside the airport. But now, we need also to protect our clients. Number one clients is the passenger, foreign or national, visiting General Santos City or going out of Region 12. So, isa yun sa mga mandate ng mga AVSEGROUP. Kaya nga dapat 24/7 naririto ang mga pulis natin. May flight, holidays, mas kailangan sila. And we are much more prone to COVID. When we say of pandemic, COVID-19, COVID will be there forever or forever COVID. Masanay na tayong mabuhay sa pandemya na nararanasan natin ngayon. Huwag na kayong umasa na mawawala ang COVID, especially what is happening right now. But at least there are two ways to protect us from this virus. The first one is to be vaccinated. So we request, as our mandate, I require all AVSEGROUP personnel na maging 100% vaccinated. Nasa 96% na kami. And we are always asking the help of our LGUs na idugtong siya. So to all of you, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat.